Hi, in front of me is Huawei Honor 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view on this device. Firstly, open any apps, for example Gallery and YouTube. Then click on the square button. Hold an app and drag it to the top of the screen. Then click the other app. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wanna go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and tap home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!